Sakit! Anong plano natin? Anong plano natin?
Hiking is an excellent way to enjoy the outdoors, get some exercise, and soak in the beauty of nature. And today, we venture to Mount Talamitam in Nasugbo, Batangas for our first ever hiking experience. There's nothing quite like the thrill of hiking for the first time, especially in a place as breathtaking as Mount Talamitam. However, hiking comes with a big responsibility. As we set foot on the trail, we must remember the do's and don'ts of hiking. First, make sure you bring enough water and snacks to keep your energy up on the trail. Wear comfortable attire and appropriate gear. Also, don't forget to apply sunscreen. One of the most important things to remember while hiking is to keep the environment clean. Avoid littering. It is not only unpleasant to look at, but it can also harm the wildlife in the area. A little effort can indeed go a long way by picking up trash you find along the way. Remember that we are guests in the nature's home, and it's up to us to clean after ourselves and leave the trail as we found it. As we make our way through the trail, hiking can be exhausting, especially for the first timers. Take a moment to rest and catch your breath. Every year, more and more people visit Mount Talamita, and we must do our part to preserve its natural beauty. Always stay on the trails designated for the hikers to avoid disturbing wildfire in the area. Hiking is also about appreciating nature. Take your time, feel the cool breeze, listen to the birds chirping, and enjoy the view.
Gusto niya, lalagay ko dito.
Ako may kutsilyo din ako gusto niya.
Leaving no trash behind is not just a responsibility. It is also a form of respectful practice toward the environment. All hikers should be aware that whenever they bring must be carried back down with them. Try to minimize your waste as much as possible and help preserve the beauty of nature and keep the trails clean for the other hikers. Reaching the summit of Mount Talamitam is an incredible experience. The climb may be steep, but once you get to the top, the beauty of what lies ahead is second to none. The panoramic views of the mountain range and surrounding areas are breathtaking, making the hike worth every step.
Tara na, tara na.
As we descend, we must remember to be respectful to nature. Do not pick up flowers or damage the environment in any way. It's an opportunity to connect with the nature and appreciate the company of those who we share the experience. Take a moment to appreciate the nature wonders around you, like this beautiful river. Though it might be tempting to swim, but it's also important to stick to designated swimming areas to protect the ecosystem.
Mabot kami toyo, nakapatis.
Our first hike in Mount Talamitam was a memorable one. From the breathtaking views, the delicious food, and the bond we created with our friends, it is an experience we will cherish forever. We encourage everyone to take the challenge and explore the beauty of nature. But keep in mind to respect and preserve the environment as our actions have an impact on the environment.